Everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make easy mac and cheese recipe. You're going to start by boiling your macaroni. So bring a large pot of water on the stove top. Add salt and the dried macaroni to it. Cook the macaroni for about 5 to 7 minutes or until almost soft. You don't need to overcook the macaroni as it will continue to cook in the oven. While the pasta is cooking, go ahead and shred your cheese and then share into 3 different parts and set aside. You will need 2 full cups of cheddar cheese and 1 full cup of mozzarella cheese for this baked mac and cheese recipe. When you're done with that, mix everything and make sure it combines together. Then check on the noodles. If the noodles is ready, drain through a colander and toast with a little bit of olive oil. This will prevent it from sticking together. Next, make your mac and cheese sauce. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Once the butter has melted, add the flour and whisk together until it forms a paste. Keep cooking for a minute while stirring until the raw flavor disappears. Now add the milk to the sauce. Slowly add 2 cups of warm milk to the sauce while whisking continually until the lumps dissolve into the sauce nicely. Once you have completely dissolved the thick flour, pour in the remaining cup of milk to it and whisk until it is nicely combined. Also add chicken stock to it and give it a nice stir. Chicken stock adds a rich and savory flavor to this mac and cheese recipe. You want the consistency of the sauce to be thick, just enough to coat the back of the spoon, but not too thick and difficult to eat. Now that you have a really thick and creamy sauce, you can season it with black pepper, smoked paprika, grated nutmeg, and salt. Whisk again to combine. Raise the heat to medium and cook the mac and cheese sauce for 5 minutes while stirring occasionally until it thickens up and turns creamy. Now stir in 1 cup of shredded cheese to the sauce and mix until everything is fully melted and smooth. But first, you have to remove the sauce from heat. You don't want the cheese to curdle or clump together. While cooking the sauce, make sure your oven is preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is just the perfect consistency of sauce to coat the pasta. Bring in the pre-cooked macaroni into the sauce and mix until it is well incorporated. I love to add these in batches and stir as I go. Now let's assemble the macaroni and cheese. Pour half of the pasta mixture into your prepared baking pan and evenly sprinkle with 1 cup of the shredded cheese on top. Pour the remaining mac and cheese mixture into the dish and finally top with the remaining 1 cup of shredded cheese. Bake your mac and cheese in the preheated oven for 25 minutes until it is hot and the cheese has melted. If you love your macaroni and cheese to have beautifully brown top, simply boil it for 3 minutes to get that. Now your delicious mac and cheese is out of the oven. Let's stand this for 2 minutes before serving. Just look at that flavorful, cheesy and creamy macaroni and cheese just for you lovelies. This is just the perfect and easy way to make macaroni and cheese at home. This easy macaroni and cheese recipe is a great way to make a delicious and comforting meal without spending hours in the kitchen. With just a few simple ingredients, you can have a cheesy and creamy dish that will satisfy everyone at the table. I hope you give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.